This is a quick and easy JSY recipe, pasta with beans. For this recipe, you'll need vegetable oil, minced garlic, diced tomatoes, chopped greens, beans, pasta, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by chopping the greens into bite-sized pieces. In this video, I'm using Swiss chard, but you can use any cooking greens that you have on hand. This includes spinach and collard greens. To clean your chopped greens, you'll want to submerge in clean water. Lift greens out of the water to leave the dirt behind. If using a salad spinner, spin a few times. If not, pat them off with a dry paper towel. Chop the stems of the greens into bite-sized pieces and place aside. Use the flat side of the knife to loosen the garlic skins. Carefully mince the garlic and place aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to medium heat, then add garlic and the chopped up stems from your greens. Cook a few minutes until garlic and stems begin to soften. Add your greens and season with salt and pepper. Add canned tomatoes with liquid and cook. Simmer for 5 minutes. Uncover and stir. Add beans, cover, and cook 5 minutes. Add pasta and season with salt and pepper. And just like that, you've made a delicious dish. Top with cheese and enjoy.